Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
How to use MidJourney, your quick start guide at AR Art. So here's step 1, sign up and subscribe. Embark on your AR journey by visiting midjourney.com and creating your account. So here to unleash your full power of MidJourney, choose a subscription plan tailored to your creative needs. This plan starts at $10 per month, offering basic image generation capability. Once subscribed, gain immediate access to intuitive MidJourney web app or join the official server to begin crafting your visual masterpiece. So here, step 2 is create your first image. Access the creation hub and then after that, import your vision. Type a clear and concise text prompt vividly describing the image you wish to bring to life. Be direct and specific. Witness the magic. Press enter and watch the AWI as Midjourney's AI generate four distinct image variation in approximately 1 minute, transforming your text into stunning visuals. So here, refine and customize your image. After generating your initial image, use the initiative button located below each creation, upscale your favorite to a higher resolution, and generate a new variation based on the promising result. Elevate your art by experimenting with your detailed prompt elements, specifically specify the subject artistic style like impressionist or cyberpunk, this desired lighting and overall mood to guide Midjourney's output. Unlock advanced customization with parameters like to set the aspect ratio to 1690 for widescreen and so much more. And then specific Midjourney algorithm version for even more tailored result. Tips for better prompt and results. Be short and specific. Craft and then use precise language. Focus on the precise language you can do. Quantity when possible. 3 fluffy cats playing in a garden yields better results than simply cats. Something like that. And then here, focus on the positive. So Midjourney responds best to positive instruction instead of saying not blurry. Describe what you want, sharp focus or clear detail. Explore community galleries, find inspiration, and learn from others. So there you go, guys. And now, Midjourney is more than just a tool. It's a creative partner that seamlessly blends your imagination with artificial intelligence to bring groundbreaking ideas to life. So, I suggest join thriving global community of millions of users who are actively experimenting, sharing their unique creations, and pushing the boundaries of digital art. So there. So I hope you guys like the video. Please enjoyed. If you have any more questions, you can type it down in the comment section below, and we'll be happy to answer you guys. And thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.